Tom, can we go and see the ice cream being made?
Yeah, of course we can. Let's go.
Come on, Midge.
Coming!
What flavour are they making today?
Oh, I'll go and have a look.
Inside the factory, some mashed up strawberries are poured into the ice cream machine.
They're making strawberry.
Oh, wow! I wonder if they are the strawberries that the children were picking.
Let's make ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream, let's make ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We all love ice cream. Everybody loves an ice cream on a hot day. First we need a lot of milk, so hello cows we say. Milking and a milking, oh thank you cows. From the parlour to the barn to be fed now. Ice cream, let's make ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We all love ice cream.
Now, Midge, I've got a special treat for you.
What's that?
This is ice cream specially for dogs.
Oh, yummy!
Look at you, Midge. Do you think the children know you can make ice cream with milk and strawberries? Let's go and find them.
Hang on, just need to finish the last bit.
Cheeky Midge. I'll see you back at the farmhouse.
OK, see you later.
Wait for me!
Tractor Ted and Midge are so excited to tell the children how ice cream is made, especially as it's strawberry ice cream.
Hello?
They are back at the strawberry farm, but they can't see the children.
I can't see over!
Where are they?
Are they over here?
Look, here they are. They're having a picnic.
Oh, that looks yummy. What have you got? Strawberry cake. And we got strawberry sandwiches.
They've got lots of strawberries in lots of things. Cakes, biscuits, and sandwiches.
What have you got?
Strawberry ice cream. We saw strawberry ice cream being made. How did you make it?
First, they milked the cows. Then all the milk was taken to the ice cream factory and they added lots of strawberries to make yummy strawberry ice cream.
They even made special ice cream just for dogs. I like strawberry jam sandwiches too.
Oh, Midge, you are cheeky. We have to go now. Come on, Midge.
Coming!
Bye, everyone.